Hello guys, welcome back to the channel with another drawing tutorial. You are watching Fun Times Art and Animation. Today we are going to present a Ganesh Chaturthi special drawing. And our topic for today is how to draw Lord Ganesha using MS Paint. This is the 6th episode of spiritual drawing. If you missed the previous episode, you can check my channel. Video link also available in the description. And if you are new here, you can subscribe my channel for more interesting, informative art tutorials. We provide such content daily basis. If you guys enjoying the video, please leave a like. You can also share your valuable feedback with us in the comment section. We will like to know what you guys think about our work. So now continue watching the video. See you at the end. So this is the final piece of art. If you like my work, do subscribe the channel and be a part of our journey. We provide such interesting art content on daily basis. So that's it for today. We will be right back with another interesting, informative art videos. Till then, take care. See you soon.